You don't need a lot of money or experience to start a business in 2025. With just 50 to 100k, you can turn your passion into profit. Hello beautiful people, hope you're all having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Akimvile. Today's video is another girl's talk for finance and entrepreneurship. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. In this video, I'll be sharing profitable business you can easily earn from. Let's get started in your entrepreneurship journey. Handmade or homemade products. That's why it's good to learn a craft. It doesn't have to be hair, clothes, or makeup. It should be things you can just do from your house. It's something that is not easily accessed, something that is not common, something that would enable you stand out. That's why you need to learn it. Examples of these handmade products are like organic drink. You want to start mixing the ginger shots. Everyone is taking ginger shots now for clear skin and helping their guts. So you want to mix this organic drink, and also for like weight gain or weight loss, mixing smoothie, mixing the right drink, mixing the right fruit, like some fruit that can't easily be gotten in Nigeria. You can just buy this from some certain stores, some Chinese stores in Lagos. You go there, you buy this particular organic black currants, the grape, the kiwi, the broccoli. You just mix everything together. And also crochet threads. Oh Lord, I love them. I'll put a picture on the screen so you see what I'm talking about. It takes time, but you just have to knead them and sell them, especially when it's summer. It's going to look very good, so you just want to do this. It's really nice, and art as well. Also, you can start printing out pictures. I know many people do this graphic and picture frame, but no, you just want to make sure you stand out. Printing nice pictures from Pinterest to sell to people, customized pictures, not just any pictures, aesthetically pleasing pictures people can use for their background. Like my background now, I want to get a picture for my background, but I'm still thinking if I should get like a neon lights name. So that's another handmade business, designing names for content creators to use. Yeah, that's another handmade business. You still need to get the material and make them, but when I mean handmade and homemade, the organic fruit, the salad and the organic drink, you can make them from home and sell them at the gym, or take it to offices and place for fitness. The next profitable business idea is online tutoring. You can share your areas of expertise online, the things you are good at, just share them. I had like an editing class online on WhatsApp. So these are things you can do. You can do advert on WhatsApp. You can share other people's business on WhatsApp with a link. All you need is just your phone and data. Hold an online class for braiding hair, for knitting, for ventilating. It can be a WhatsApp class. You just need your phone and your data. You don't need to do too much. You don't need to spend too much. That's another business idea. Teach people online. You can also edit or do like a faceless YouTube channel for kids, a faceless YouTube channel or a faceless TikTok channel with animation or cartoon for kids, teaching them how to speak their language or teaching them how to pronounce words, or like fun cartoons. Talking about online tutorial, you can also teach people how to make local snacks. Trust me, you can teach people how to make local snacks like baba dodo, dankwa, kilishi. All these things, people can't do them on their own. And they can't easily go on YouTube and search for it because they're not going to get raw recipes since you've sold it to them and they tested yours is different. So these are the things you can do online, teaching them how to make kilishi and other things. Tell them, oh, I'm also going to invite you over to my place and you're also going to test. Just make sure give them something to talk about, to make sure you attract them and give them something to impress them. And also you can teach people how to shop online from AliExpress, from Fashion Nova, from Shein. You can teach people how to buy from 1688, the China store. I wanted to teach one of my subscribers how to do this, but I don't really have time. I think I'll just create a video on how to shop online from Womata 1688, shopping from China cargo. The next profitable business idea is online survey. This takes time, but you have to earn by points by dropping reviews, buying from them, giving them reviews, writing and filling some surveys online. Some online stores you want to buy from them and drop reviews, while some you just want to give them survey and recommendations on their e-commerce website. It's going to take time, so it's not as profitable as the rest because you need to devote your time into this. The next profitable business is personal trainer for fitness, like a coach. If you're passionate about fitness, you can create a workout plan for people online and also meet them in person to train them on how to work on their belly fat, how to add weight, how to cleanse their gut and how to build their glutes. So these are things you can do online and in person. You just need to work on yourself first so people would see the results, like a before and after. And I'm sure you've seen some of this transformation video on TikTok when people just lose weight, they drop a lot of pounds, and then they tell you to join their group or pay for the training, something like that. So this is what you want to consider if you are passionate about fitness. The next profitable business idea is home cleaning or intense cleaning service, like domestic help. So you want to buy this product and create a flyer, buy the product, send an email, or reach out to people, reach out to like estate agents that, oh, you're into cleaning. I'm talking about estate agents. I never said you should go to Mushi, Ikorodu, Ajegule. It depends on the certain area, like VI, Ikoyi, some certain place in Aja, Victoria Island. So these are the places you want to look into. These are the places you want to look into. Just go there, tell them, oh, this is what I do. You need to employ people that work with you. You can just start on your own. Once you have these things, once you know how to use the right products for like glasses, windows, you need products for toilets, you need products for cleaning steels, you need to know more about this. You need to vacuum the area, cut the grass. You need to learn this thing. And there is dignity in labor. You're going to make your money. There is dignity in labor. The next profitable business idea is pet store. You can start selling pet food and medication online. I notice Nigerians now have different breed of pets. People also have cats now in Nigeria. There's dogs everywhere, different ways online. So you want to like create an e-commerce store or like an online page where you can sell and reach out to pet owner. They should be your target audience. So you want to start selling this food, you need to target pet owners online. You create your page, you run adverts. You can also reach out to them like, oh, I sell this, just in case you want to buy, I can give you for this price. I can also give you discounts. You can also post me on your page to get discounts. Reach out to influencers. You can reach out to people that have pets, new puppies online. Tell them, oh, this is what I do. I can also make this dress for your pets. It's going to be fun, and this is not a common business. You want to look into this. You can also breed dogs. This is not a common business. You need to invest into this and reach out to people. The next profitable business idea is the last profitable business idea, which is digital marketing. I know so many people are like, oh, scam. People don't really like when you mention digital marketing because they think you want to sell your ebook. No, but that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is you reach out to businesses, small businesses like restaurants, schools, lounge, cafe for coffees. You reach out to them, you reach out to salons and tell them, oh, I can come into your shop and take pictures and also post it on my page. I can also come with influencers and content creator. I know I said profitable business idea you don't need to start much with. By getting these influencers and content creator, you don't have to get the popular ones. You can just reach out to people like micro influencers, mini influencers that has like 1,000 to 10k followers or like 5,000 followers. Tell them, oh, would you like to come and have free food and take nice picture? They would be so excited to come there. They will be so excited to come there. So what they are coming to do is to come to the restaurant. You take the pictures. You are working with the brand, you're working with the lounge, you're working with the restaurant. The influencers are just coming to take pictures and eat free food. Do you get? They're just coming to advertise the business place. They're just coming to advertise the restaurants, the school. So what you need to do is tell them to come for free. They're also building their page. They're also working on, creating their own content on their page. You're also building your own page as a digital marketer for businesses. And then once you build your page, you can start earning and you can start reaching out to the brands. Oh, the price has changed now. You now have to pay. We no longer do free content. Can you see this is another business idea? You no longer do free content. You can start reaching out to the brand now that they have to pay. From the beginning, you don't have to start with, oh, this is our price rate. You need to create a portfolio. Once you've worked with like 2 to 3 brands, 2 to 3 restaurants, then you create a portfolio and get these influencers. You can also create like a WhatsApp group where you reach out to influencers on Instagram to join your link. Influencers within 1,000 to 5k or 1,000 to 10k followers are willing to take nice picture and eat free food at the restaurants. And once they join this group, you tell them it is not paid. They will like the idea because they're also going there to work and create their own content. So that's one business idea, and I hope you find all these business ideas helpful and they are going to be very profitable. Remember, starting a business takes courage, but it is worth it. Take the first step to build your dream business today. That's all the business idea. I hope you find them helpful, and I hope to see you in more of my videos. If you have more profitable business idea, please leave it in the comment section below. If you also have any question relating to this business idea, leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media, TikTok and Instagram at Lizzie Akimbele. Thank you guys so much for being here. See you in more of my videos. Bye.